In this video, we are going to show you how to access, use, and optimize the GX Cleaner feature inside Opera GX Gaming Browser. To begin, launch the Opera GX Gaming Browser app on your Windows or Mac device. Now, notice the sidebar on the left side? Head over to it and there, click on the Cleaner icon. This will navigate you to the GX Cleaner module inside the browser. Now tap on Start. You can see the total amount of junk in megabytes that is currently present. Below that, you also get to select 3 modes, namely minimum, medium, and maximum. All these modes help in cleaning and deciding the amount of data you need to remove. Now, if you want, you can manually select the folders and data you wish to remove. You can select from Cache, Cookies, Tab, Browsing History, Downloads, and Sidebar icons. Once the selection is done, tap on Start Cleaning. The process will begin, and in a matter of minutes, the residual data is cleared and you have optimized your experience. Learned this nifty trick? Why not elevate your other tech skills? Subscribe to Guiding Tech and delve into one of our specially curated videos just for you.